In addition to style transfer, motion transfer, and character replacement are two other highly popular video re-rendering scenarios. Wan Animate, officially released by Wan, is specifically trained and optimized for these use cases and delivers excellent results. Let's walk through how to use Wan Animate to easily generate a video of a specified character performing a specified dance using a Subject 3 dance video and a full body image of an anime character. Load the workflow in the beginning part, input the image and driving video material, and configure parameters such as frame count and target resolution. Wan Animate, like Wan 2.1, typically uses resolutions of 480p or 720p, with 720p offering better overall results. I prefer to manually adjust the size of the reference image within the workflow. Although the sampling node automatically resizes the image to match the target dimensions, its processing method is not transparent or controllable. For example, if the character in the reference image is positioned towards the bottom and the default center crop is used, the feet would be cut off. Using a bottom crop instead preserves the entire subject. This workflow loads several models. In addition to the Wan Animate Q6K model, I've also loaded the LightX2V acceleration LoRA and the official relight LoRA. The text encoder is EM25XXL, VAE is Wan 2.1 VAE, and the Clip Vision model is Clip Vision HD. This is the typical setup for Wan series models. The prompt is very simple. I just wrote "a girl is dancing." For pose and facial processing, ControlNet's DWPose preprocessor is used. It separately extracts the body pose and facial keepbots, generating both a pose video and a facial video to be supplied to the sampling node as references. Sampling scheduling is very similar to VACE. The default shift value here is 8. The material preparation node is Wan Animate to Video, which integrates positive and negative prompts, VAE, clip vision results, reference image, face video, and pose video, providing sampling instructions and latent space material for the K-sampler. There's nothing special about the sampling node parameters. Since LightX2V acceleration is active, only 6 steps are necessary. The sampling method and scheduler use the common combination of Euler to simple. Finally, trim video latent is used to remove any extra frames. I haven't mentioned two specific parameters here. They're used for continuous sampling, allowing the generation of multiple video segments for seamless integration. I'll cover this in detail in the video continuation section of a later lesson. Decoding and saving the video won't be discussed further as these steps have already been covered extensively. After clicking Run, the pose and face videos are generated quickly. If you plan to perform motion transfer on the same video multiple times, you can save these videos and load them directly next time to avoid redundant processing. The final video is ready. Although I only generated 33 frames, these 2 seconds are enough to showcase the model's capabilities. The anime character's actions are highly synchronized with the original character in terms of timing and pose. Wan Animate also supports character replacement, swapping the character in the original video with a new one while keeping the background unchanged, and the results are excellent. However, this workflow requires video matting using Segment Anything 2, which involves a more complex node setup. Overall, VACE is a versatile all-in-one editing solution, while Wan Animate focuses on motion transfer and character replacement. Mastering both lets you handle 90% of common scenarios easily.